Hey folks, it's Paul from Craft Words. Thank you very much, Tiffany Bayliss, for the question. You asked me, what are the underestimated challenges of running an agency? That one made me think. Thank you very much. I think one of the things that perhaps you don't think about so much is how important it is to remember what it's like to be on the other side. Now, what I mean by that is you're there running the agency, you're having, goodness knows how many meetings, talking about strategy, talking about this, talking about that. And it's really easy to forget that you have all these amazing people on the kind of shop floor, so to speak, doing an incredible job, doing the work that actually keeps the agency moving, pushes you forward. But it's really easy to get disconnected from that and kind of lose your way. So I came up with this slightly weird analogy. Now, somewhere in the world, I can hear my children rolling their eyes at another one of Dad's slightly weird analogies, but bear with me. It's this idea of passengers and pedestrians. Could be drivers and pedestrians, but I like the alliteration, so let's go with passengers and pedestrians. It's a bit like, imagine you're in a car and you're driving, you stop to let pedestrians cross, and you're there thinking, I wish these folks would hurry up, I wish they'd go a bit quicker, why is this one running when it's not their turn, this is a bit annoying. You go around the corner, you park the car, you go to cross the road, and you're there, you're trying to get across and you can't quite find a space, maybe it's not a green man, whatever it is, and you think, these bloody motorists are really annoying, all I want to do is cross the road. The point of that slightly weird analogy is that it's really easy to forget what it's like to be in the other position. And like I said, I think with an agency, it's really easy to forget what it's like for people kind of working on the shop floor, and kind of minimize their daily challenges and not think about them and not give them the importance they deserve. So that, I think, is my underestimated challenge of running an agency. So thanks again, Tiff, for the question. Thanks to everyone for watching, and please leave more questions down below in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.